I see a heart of wonder. I need your living water. Your voice is calling out to me. I've tasted and I have seen. This world is not what I need. Your presence over anything. So I turn from my fears to your loving arms. It's your voice I wanna hear. You're where I belong. One thing is needed, just to sit at your feet, to hear you speak. One thing is needed, just to sit at your feet, to rest and receive. When I see that I'm not enough, it's in your voice that I trust. You're always calling out to me. Right now I give you my life. Speak to my heart, it's your time. Your word is healing my mind. So I cast all my cares to your loving arms. I can rest, 'cause you're here. You're where I belong. One thing is needed, just to sit at your feet, to hear you speak. One thing is needed, just to sit at your feet, to rest and receive. Oh, one thing is needed, just to sit at your feet, to hear you speak. One thing is needed, just to sit at your feet, to rest and receive.
പിതാവിന്റെയും പുത്രന്റെയും പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവിന്റെയും നാമത്തിൽ പൂർണ്ണനാക്കപ്പെടുകയും സ്ഥിരീകരിക്കപ്പെടുകയും
Rest in
ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു.
you today. You are our peace. We are made for your presence.